Just me, Barb. I just wanted to encourage you all, whoever's watching, and if you're watching on someone's behalf or just curious, it might be you who's experiencing knots and tangles, and matting of the hair, whether it's curly, coily, and even straight hair, no matter what the texture may be or length of your hair may be. We all go through some struggles. So just want to be there to encourage you. But I just want to also share just a little story or a little experience that I had recently. A Precious family had reached out, and I had the chance to help share and helping through their struggle. And this Precious young lady had a bit of tangles in her hair and some matting, actually, several chunks, mostly in the back of their hair, from the crown and to the back of their head. And this it sounds normal for where most of our tangles usually are, because we lay on our backs and such, but there's so many different reasons for tangles and such. And so just not going to be judging anybody on the problems and challenges that they have along the way of their journey. Preparation, having all the tools that we need at any given time. Just because our hair is not necessarily tangled or matted right now doesn't mean that we wouldn't be able to use some of these tools. Of course, finger detangling is helpful, but also having a tangling comb and brush, which you may already have these tools, but or if you don't have them or want to, just a friendly reminder to suggest them to somebody that who may be having these issues, or who may potentially, need to use them for the maintenance of their hair. So it's just an encouraging thing, just to help, remind somebody, encourage them inside of simple stuff. I added a few things, noted a few things here that I used during this particular session, and it really blessed me, the mom and the young lady whose hair was getting detangled. And I'm all for natural oils. Not that everything that I use is natural, but the shea butter, castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, it has been a rescue inside of coating the hair and helping the hair to be moisturized and not have tangles, and to help prevent, just that really scary time of having to detangle your own hair all by yourself. So, and on to patience and love. You have to have patience, and it's something that we all, I'm sure, are working on, and say that we wish we had more of. But in this journey of life, we're all going to go through challenges and stuff. And when it comes to our hair, it's attached to our scalp, is with us every single day. We got to deal with it, live with it, no matter what we do to it, whether we shave it bald, we're still going to have to do something to it eventually once it starts growing back. And there's times when we, have there's some who have long, curly or long, thick hair, and then there's short, not thick hair. But we're all going to have to do something, to our crown. And this is just some encouragement along the way inside of detangling. And also, it's helpful in preventing, further tangling as well. Patience and love for ourselves and the person that we're helping care for. And prevention. This is a biggie. Prevention can be tiring. And, you're using your own best judgment when it comes to prevention, because you have so many things that you can do for yourself. And then there's also a combination of things that we can do. But most importantly, what I helped encourage this family to do is to just start using protective styles. Because, when we have coily hair or any hair on our head, we're going to have to do something to it. And having something that helps protect the hair is going to save us time. It's going to save us, frustrations and tears, because, knotted hair does hurt, whether you have a sensitive scalp or not. It's going to hurt when you comb it out or try to detangle it. So just some helpful tips along the way. Perseverance. Don't give up. I know it's tough. I know it's tough. We spent hours detangling this precious young lady's hair, and it was a blessing to see the end results. I'm so glad. I wanted to scream and do cartwheels and flips, and I can't do cartwheels. I could barely do a roll on the ground. But regardless, I was very excited. So was mom, and so was the young lady. And they deserved the help that was needed. And I'm so glad that I was able to be there for them. We worked together as a team, because if she had given up, we wouldn't have been able to continue to detangle her hair. So I know it sounds like such a simple thing, but honestly, again, our hair is a part of us, is on top of our scalp, you know, and it's important. God gave us the hairs on our head, and he thought it was so important and loved us so much that he counted every single one of them. He knows how many strands are on our hair. So long story short, y'all, we need one another. We need kindness. We need encouragement, even inside of simple things. So if you see somebody walking around with their little hairdo, we don't want to judge whether it looks all fancy, awesome all the time, or whether it looks, a little less maintained. We want to encourage somebody. So I'm just glad that I was that little ounce of encouragement for them, because it just made it made my day, and I knew it made theirs too. And I just appreciate just a simple acts of kindness and love. It makes a big difference in the heart and mind and soul of those around us and who we do serve. So I just pray and hope that you were blessed. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be discouraged. Ask for help. Even do it anonymously at first if you feel that's what you want to do. But it's okay, because we all need help from time to time in different ways. And I hope that you were blessed, and that your hair care struggle is a little less challenging after this video. But have a good one. I think there's one more slide here. Let's see. Yep, the end. And these are some takeaways, guys. We all live and learn and grow. And hopefully these are things that, something that you've learned new or encouraged to continue to do. Whether it's one of these things or more, it's best to have a combination of things, because sometimes one particular thing doesn't necessarily do everything that you need. So hopefully you're encouraged. And make note of these things, copy, paste. I'm not sure what option or what function you're able to do on the device that you're using. Share it, but just wanting to help continue to be an encouragement, even inside of the little simple things. And let's see, what else did we have next? The end. The end is next. Thank you for watching. I hope you were encouraged and that you have a chance to encourage somebody else. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's noted there at youtube.com at Buys, Bargains, and Blessings. And you can find more videos, tips, and there's also monthly giveaways. Once you subscribe, you'll be on my list. Watch out for February coming up. So at the end of every month, just before the beginning of the next, I will be announcing a new winner of a free item and/or service. And I hope you have a wonderful, blessed rest of this day. Bye.